Manipur lengakna war on drugs ki lanjang leptana changsilabasu mafam kayada sendong kidamakta drug yonba amadi puthok pusin tawbagi thabak leptana lepa leitri loinana police ki maikedagisu drug lalonba sing phagat pasu leptri masigi saruka moina tha sigi tang 13 ki nuthil bungmari rom thabada Kangpokpi district police na miyoi anidagi malim gi kaithelda lupa crore kuntra mariga lakh 13 lising kun romgi mamal oigadaba brown sugar kg aniga gram kun manga fagat pangamkhre farba miyoi ani adudi Tengnopal district subdivision ki manung chanba L Songpizang village tagi pautin mang khongsai chahi kunmathoi apokpa thanglen khongsai amasung senapati dagi P Saharini Mikri chahi yankhai taruk apokpa puni laini Kangpokpi police ki report amada makhoi ani gi manungda pauton tin mang khongsai di hauzik cycle police station ki manung chanba Nafai village leibani hairi Paraba makhoi animak ngasi Kangpokpi police na media gi mamangda puthokre thaudok asigi matangda Kangpokpi district police tagi phangba pauda hairiba numit aduda national highway number 2 da drug lalonba singna drug pure haibagi pau phangbadagi Kangpokpi police station ki gate ta SIS Raju amasung SI Hemjamang khongsai na luchingduna frisking amadi checking tawkhi Tanja aduda ut masugi bolero registration number AS12H1485 ama chingnaningai oiba moongda lakhi gari adu khamduna check tawbada packet mari da haplamba brown sugar kg aniga gram kun manga adu fagat pangam khibani loinana brown sugar ga konana faraba miyoi anigi mathakta NDNPS ki makhada case ama lokhatlaba matungda tha asigi tang 19 da JMFC Kangpokpi gi court ta puthokre court ki yathang matung inna makhoi animak tha asigi tang 19 fauba numit 12 gi police custody lauthakre hairi
The accused persons were then interrogated again and they revealed the presence of contraband drugs in the vehicle. Upon their disclosure, due formalities and SOPs of NDPS Acts were observed and recovered 4 packets of contraband drugs suspected to be brown sugar, weighing 2.025 kgs approximately. The 2 apprehended persons further disclosed that they obtained the drugs from another person residing in Cycle side and teams were immediately mobilized. The approximate value of the suspected brown sugar has been estimated to be 34,13,200 only in the local market.